Alana Alexander. Or Lily, what's it say? I'm just being bored and making another video. Kayla just made hers. Kayla's making hers.
My friend make a vlog. Right,
so
if you don't know,
watch her.
Her name is Alana's TV, and
that's. We need to make up a name for your channel, Kaylee. I got Alana's TV. I'm gonna put my first name in it. Anyway, guys, so
wait, I'm gonna actually make a YouTube account on my phone and then post videos and stuff so people can see them.
Yeah.
Am I gonna make a YouTube channel?
Hey guys, what's up? This is.
No, you're fine. Hey guys.
I already said that. I'm so boring. Anyway, if you guys not seed. There's not a word named seed. Seed is not a word. There's not a word named seed. If you guys have seen my last vlog or any of my Animal Jam vlogs, make sure to comment, subscribe, and other stuff like that. And yeah, I'm bored. Just jumping around the trampoline, hopping around.
Alana, I do have a channel. Look.
Oh yeah, you do.
So awesome.
Yeah, you can make videos and everything. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go hop around, put on some music, and then you guys see my vlog tomorrow.
Well, but seriously, I want to post this on like YouTube and stuff.
You want to do that?
Like,
oh my god, who farted?
huh?
Was that you who farted?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shut up.
Bye, guys.